So what you do is basically download a cheat engine. Just download it from this link. I'll give it in the description. Don't worry, all this will be in the description. So, anyways, just download a cheat engine. And once you download a cheat engine, then you're gonna have to go to Nexus mods and go to this cheat table. And just basically, this cheat table is where all the cheats are, so you can actually, cheat. And so after you get that, you also have to get this as well. And this anti-cheat toggler is basically a way where you can actually toggle enabling the anti-cheat and turning it on and off. So you can turn on and off the anti-cheat. That's basically all it does. And we need it. So basically, just download these two mods. This is all you need. Just go to files right here. So once you download what you need, all you gotta do now is just open Steam. Once you open Steam, right click your game and go to manage and then go to local files. Just go to game, and once we're on game, all you have to do is just basically drag and drop this into your Elden Ring game folder and then extract it in there. That's all you do. So basically just, you know, drag and drop and then extract here. Once we extracted everything, we pretty much got the anti-cheat toggler on. So once we got that ready, all we have to do now is just disable our Wi-Fi. So just disable your network pretty much. So disconnect from the Wi-Fi. And once you disconnect from the Wi-Fi, all you gotta do is go where it says toggle anti-cheat. And now the anti-cheat is now disabled. Now that we got it disabled, we click on start game and offline mode so we can make sure that we're on offline 100%. Now you just pretty much open the game. So once you open the game, now you can actually create your account, like pretty much create your character that you want to make, pretty much. So new game, pick anything, don't matter. I'm gonna do Applehead. Alright, so now that we're inside the game, all you have to do now is just open Cheat Engine. And once you have Cheat Engine open, all you pretty much do now is just go on the top where it says select the process to open. Just pretty much open Elden Ring. And once you got Elden Ring opened, now you can go where it says open folder or whatever, open cheat basically. So we open our cheat that we downloaded, the cheat table. So basically, once we open our cheat table, all we gotta do is just cheat our game basically. Just enable your cheats. Do what you want to do. Just an example. Just do player stats. Let's do level. And we're gonna do 97. I'm gonna do 97. And I'm gonna do status. And now we'll level 97. You understand what I'm saying? Like, you can just edit your character basically now. But if you don't want to get banned, just make sure that your stats are actually legit. Like, as long as they look legit and you have everything on you that is legit. Like, if you unlocked everything right now, you can. But just make sure it's everything that you can get legitly. You know what I'm saying? Like, make sure you don't have a modded weapon, Make sure you don't have anything that, you know, only mods can get. So just make sure your game save looks legit. And then once you got your game save looking real, then just basically, save and exit, you know, just save and exit your game. Once you close it, now all you gotta do is just go where you installed the anti-cheat to, pretty much the game folder. Once you're there, just basically, disable it. I mean, enable the anti-cheat. So enable the anti-cheat. Once you enable it, you're pretty much back online, basically. So once you basically back online, just, close the folder, whatever, and then connect to the internet again. And once you're connected back to the internet, now you can go play online and have a good time. You know what I'm saying? So, yep, this is the end of the video. See ya. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, anything you want to do. See ya.